Hello everyone, welcome you in investmentguru.com. BSE Sensex spot closed at 81,709 at gain of 1,906 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 24,678 gain of 546 points. Bank Nifty spot closed at 53,509 with gain of 1,453 points. Market breadth was positive. BSE 500 closed at 36,681 with gain of 954 points. Nifty 500 closed at 23,312 with gain of 625 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty Realty Index, which closed at 1,074 points with gain of 5.27%. Top loser was Nifty FMGC Index, which closed at 57,744 with loss of 0.34%. Now let's look at Nifty chart. The Nifty index consolidated on December 6, closing at 24,678, down by 31 points. After a strong rally of nearly 1,000 points in the previous 5 sessions, the RBI cut the cash reserve ratio by 50 bips to 4%, raised the inflation forecast, and lowered FY25 growth estimate. The index formed a small bearish candlestick on the daily chart but show a long green candle on a weekly chart, gaining 2.27% for the week, the largest since earlier June. The key level to watch support at 24,500 and the resistance at 24,720 with the hurdle at 24,900 to 25,000 levels. The average performance of the Nifty in the December month is 3.45% with a positive return ratio of 75%. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty cumulative OI increased with 2.49% and price increased to 2.27%, which suggested long build up. Nifty 12 December 2024 weekly option data suggested that highest open interest on C side was seen at 26,200 strike with the open interest of 4,35,264 lots. Highest open interest on P side was seen at 24,000 strike with the open interest of 2,23,730 lots. Max open interest change happened on C side at 25,000 strike with the addition of 1,66,311 lots. The max open interest change happened on P side at 24,000 strike with the addition of 2,23,730 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Nifty cross above 24,750 levels, then it can move towards 24,900 to 25,000 levels. But if Nifty breaks below 24,500 levels, then the index can go down towards 24,200 to 24,000 levels. Now let's look at Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty also witnessed minor profit booking aimed consolidation after a 5-day of gain, declining 94 points to 53,510 and forming a bearish candle with the upper and lower shadow resembling a high-way candlestick pattern on a daily time frame, indicating volatility. Hence, minor profit booking can be ruled out. Through the overall trend remained positive, given the strong bullish candlestick formation on the weekly time frame. The banking index rallied 2.8% during the week, marking the biggest rally gain since September. On the upside, the index may test 54,000 to 54,500 in the short term. On the downside, support is at 52,800 followed by 52,500. Now let's analyze Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty cumulative OI increased with 9.03% and price increased to 2.79%, which suggested long build up. Bank Nifty 24 December 2024 monthly option data suggested that highest open interest on C side was seen at 55,000 strike with the open interest of 1,20,014 lots. Highest open interest on P side was seen at 52,000 strike with the open interest of 1,17,658 lot. Max open interest change happened on C side at 55,000 strike with the addition of 17,200 lots. And max open interest change happened on P side at 53,800 with the addition of 12,406 lots. The option data and chart analysis indicate that if Bank Nifty cross above 53,800 levels, then it can move towards 54,000 to 54,500 levels. If Bank Nifty breaks below 53,000 to 200 levels, then the index can go down towards 52,800 to 52,500 levels.